Hi guys, um, just wanted to send out a quick message. I know this is some very weird times, and people are scared. No one knows what's going to happen in the future. There's no strategies out there. Like we just have to take it as it comes and stay calm. I just wanted to talk to you guys about what to do in terms of financials. And this message is to basically everyone. If you're running your own business, that means if you're a music producer, if you're a songwriter, if you're a tour manager, um, if you're a cook, if you whatever it is, yeah, this all applies to you. The first thing I've done on Tuesday, actually, let me just strip that back. The way I do it is I'm staying calm. I'm not continuing business as usual. I'm watching the PM speech every day at 5 p.m. And based on that, I calculate my moves, and then the next morning I make those moves, I make those phone calls. The two things I've done so far is on Tuesday I froze my tax payments and I froze my mortgage payments. So that alone took me about 4 hours on the phone, being on a holding line. But that alone was a move that 3 grand, about 3 grand a month, is not going out for the next 3 months. 3 months, which is 9 grand I'm now saving to take me over in this situation. Call HMRC, be on the phone line for however long it takes, and then freeze your payments if you got any outstanding payments, or if you're on a payment plan with your taxes. The second thing is your mortgage provider. Call them as well. Call whichever bank you're with or provider you're with. Stay on the phone until you get someone on the phone, and then they will freeze it as well. Just make sure that that is confirmed, and takes a big thing off of your brain so that you can focus on whatever else needs to be focused on. Yeah, there's also business support that's going to be coming up. What they're saying right now, that the government's going to put 330 billion pounds towards it. It's not going to come straight into your pocket. It's going to go from the government to the councils, and the councils will select which businesses are eligible for it, and they'll give you a phone call. So that's what they're kind of saying. What I'm trying to do is research that. We're talking an amount between 10 grand and £51,000. Research that. Do not let the government decide on you, but your council decide on you, but see who you can contact, get the intel in. As soon as that fund is live, be on the blower and make sure that you're getting your case in. With the case, I'm talking about the strategy, how you're going to move forward, why people need your services, and don't think about like financial gain and stuff like that. And right now it's about humanity. How can you help? How can you help these school kids, these vulnerable school kids that still have to go to school when every teacher is ill? Yeah. How can you help? How do your service contribute to people that are in self-isolation? For example, if you're a piano teacher like my sister, she's giving online piano tuition. Out of that, you can build a reputation, you can build numbers on your socials. When we get back to normality, now you can move with higher numbers, more views, and you can navigate into a situation that you can now then be monetized because you've built a profile. Also, everything is going to move online, so make sure that you're focusing on putting your business online. If it doesn't fit online, think about reconstructing what kind of services are appropriate, what people need, and how people will access your services. Yeah. Again, last thing I want to say, this concerns everyone. Like, you don't have to be some super business guy with like £12 million in your bank account to be listening to what I've got to say. Yeah, if you've got a job and you're scared of your job, if you're scared of that you can't pay your rent, if there's if mortgage is getting frozen, your rent will be frozen as well. Yeah. Don't stress about it, and I'll be making my moves. I'll be updating you on my moves, so that hopefully you can do the same thing and just get a bit more common sense, but also stability into this current situation for yourself. Yeah. The last thing is health and mental well-being. Make sure that you focus on that, because that's really all you can do right now. The situation is going to get worse, and also when it comes better, there's a lot of back end that you have to do. So for that time, be strong, be fit, yeah. And that's it for now. I'll keep you posted.